Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for products on the Amazon application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Go to your page by tapping on the home button down below, which is the first option, and after that you should type in the name of the product that you are looking for into the box at the top of the screen. Search Amazon. So type in the product that you are looking for, and here you can see the results, but you can also narrow down your search if you are looking for a particular product by using filters. So you should tap on the filters button in the right side of the screen. Select your category. Here you can see the cell phone cases, covers, gaming accessories, maintenance, upkeep, repairs. Then you can choose from the available brands here, colors as well, price deals, cell phone cases and covers, phone compatibility, material, features, embellishment feature and the theme, included components, pattern, finish type, condition, customizable products availability, and you can also select customer reviews, and you can also select how would you like to sort your products by, such as low to high, high to low, in terms of price, or the customer review or newest arrival. So if you are done with selecting all these filters, tap on the show results button down below in the right side corner, and here you have all of the relevant results that fit your preferences that you have selected. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.